What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again today we're going to be doing a unboxing video. This time it's for the other half of the leveling kit for the 2021 Ram TRX. I have it right over here. So if you watched my previous video opening up this packet right here, this is the Foutz Motorsports front spring perch collars, the leveling kit. And then right here, this is the second part to the kit. This is the rear spacers for the back to lift the back up as well. So obviously that's what we're going to be unboxing today. Just wanted to go ahead, give you guys a look at what comes inside the box. I've been doing this for all the parts I've been installing lately. So yeah, we're going to keep going with it. This is exactly how the package comes. Just an unbranded cardboard box. Go ahead, open this up. This is how, just cut it open. Haven't really gotten any more info on it. So just some paper. Over here, got an invoice so you can see Foutz Motorsports LLC. Right down there, 2021 Ram TRX rear spring spacer lift kit by Foutz Motorsports. This is the 3/4 inch, so this is the stock application. They also make a 1-inch spacer, but they require you to run their bump stop kit. So I might upgrade to that eventually. The other cool thing about it is you could go ahead and you can stack these spacers. So if I wanted to go ahead and get another 3/4 inch, then I could just add them together. Then I have, you know, an 1.5 inch or an 1.5 inch rear spacer in the rear. So there's really not much to it inside here apparently. Just got some hardware right over here. Looks like it's pretty good hardware, so that's good quality. And then down in here, we have the actual spacers themselves. We'll go ahead and open those up, and then yeah, that's it for everything that comes inside. So don't expect any instructions, those are online. So yeah, let's go ahead and cut this open. Very good quality spacer right here. I haven't really dealt too much with spacers, but I have seen some before, and I gotta say these are definitely the nicest looking and probably the best quality rear spacer I've ever seen. These are all CNC'd out of 6061 T6 aluminum, so yeah, it shouldn't really rust or anything like that. These should be very structurally sound. So yeah, these get installed right above the rear spring. I'll go ahead and show you on the actual TRX. So when you install these, don't expect, to improve your down travel or anything like that, because that's going to be limited by the actual shock. But you should get a little bit of added preload on the spring once this is installed. So it's going to go right up there. So this paired with the front spring perches is going to make for a very nice level looking TRX. So yeah, I'm super stoked to get these on. Decided to pull everything out here so you could have a good look at it. Got the front spring perches right here, the rear spacers back there. Very good quality stuff. These are $250, and I believe these were right around like four and change. So, you're looking at like 6 something for like a leveling kit. So it's not the cheapest leveling kit out there, but it's a TRX. More than likely it's $100,000 truck at this point. So just go ahead and get some quality parts. You'll appreciate it in the long run. Buy once, cry once. Yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Just a super quick unboxing video. Just wanted to go ahead and show you guys everything before we go ahead and get it installed. Should be doing an install video pretty soon. Just waiting on some more parts to come in so I can just knock out a bunch of things at once. But if you did like this video, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.